The Alignment group in the Home tab allows us to change how the text in a cell looks. We can change the text alignment from it being left aligned to being centered, right aligned, or justified. Excel also allows us to distribute the text at the top of the cell, middle of the cell, and bottom of the cell. This is used if you've changed the size of your cell and you want your text to look neater in it. You can also add and remove an indent into your cell by selecting the increase indent or decrease indent option. Excel also allows you to have different orientations on your text. For example, you can have text that runs upwards, downwards, or on an angle. To choose this, select the icon that looks like A to B with an angled arrow underneath it, open the drop-down and select an option. You might want to create nice headings on your tables. To do this, the merge and center function is your best friend. Highlight the cells where you want your title to go, and then select the merge and center option. This will mean that all those cells become one, and the text in that cell will become centered. The last skill here is the wrapping of text. This places long text into multiple lines so you can see all of it. This means that you might not have to adjust the column or row widths or heights to fit your information. To use it, select a box where text doesn't fit. Click the Wrap Text option, and you'll see that the text goes down a line by increasing the height of the cell.